Amber Heard is suing the insurance company that refused to provide coverage for her after she suffered a humiliating $8.3 million loss during the Johnny Depp trial. If anyone has been living under a rock, the verdict in Johnny Depp's favor in the defamation case against his ex-wife Amber Heard was announced recently. He prevailed in the case on 3 counts, but Amber Heard only had to face 1. She is required to pay her ex-husband $10.35 million. As a result, the sum drops to $8.35 million because she will also get $2 million from Johnny Depp. As she gets ready for yet another court date with her target being an insurance company, Amber Heard is once more making headlines. She is prepared to file a lawsuit against her insurance provider for failing to pay Johnny Depp the agreed-upon sum. Amber Heard turned to her insurance company for assistance because it is fairly obvious that she does not have that much on hand. She had a $1 million liability coverage, but the insurance company is refusing to cover the costs of the losses. Heard's insurance company claimed in July that the actor was forced to pay the large sum due to her own willful misbehavior. As a result, under California law, the company is not responsible for covering the damages. She discovered herself on the receiving end of yet another lawsuit rather than receiving the money from her insurance company. In order to avoid having to compensate Heard, the business filed a lawsuit. Since everyone is aware by this point, the Aquaman actress is not someone who gives up quickly. In an intriguing turn of events, she has reportedly countersued the insurance provider, according to TMZ. She appears to be going to great lengths to see that the business digs deep into its coffers and pulls out $8.35 million to present to Johnny Depp. Heard thinks that the agreement she made with the insurance company was made without any limitations, and that she was entirely responsible for the firm's protection when she made the counter. Whatever the verdict in the libel case, Heard plans to sue the business on the grounds that it violated the contract by refusing to pay the damages. Heard is making an effort to have the losses covered by 2 insurance firms, Travelers Commercial Insurance Company and New York Marine General Insurance Company. She is now being represented in her search by J. Ward Brown and David L. Axelrod. She has Kirkpatrick on her legal team as well. Travelers filed a claim against New York Marine for compensation of the expenses incurred by the business in handling Heard's case. While Travelers thought Heard should select her own attorneys, the New York Marine and a judge decided to use less expensive, local attorneys as the matter appeared to be simple. New York Marine alleges that Roberta Kaplan and Elaine Charlson Bredehoft ignored their appointed attorneys. As compensation for their donation to Heard's defense fund, the firm now demands the return of just over $600,000. Heard is currently being freed from this tangle by passage.